It's so bad.
Wow.
That wouldn't even be comfortable to change. You just stab yourself on the thing every time you want to change.
Yeah, just go through. Just imagine
Oh.
if you need to go.
I don't like that one. That one probably they put a lot of effort and it looks good in a way, like certain styles. So I would give it like for effort. I would give it a 6.5.
Wow.
Yeah, but
6
in my car, no way.
5
No way.
out of 10.
I'm burning down my car if I see that in my car.
Yes.
Yeah, I would give it 6.5.
Wow, it's a lot.
What would you guys give it? I just
what is
maybe
your
it's just
rating?
us, you know. Maybe there's, you know, it's beautiful.
No, for me it's a 4 out of 10.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Sorry.
This is interesting.
There is a potential, but
Ethnic. Oh wow. Okay. Ethnic mask.
uh,
It's kind of cool.
I don't know how to judge it because
I also don't know how to. We're not gonna judge that one. Okay.
So,
What is this?
Some mold of man face. Is it a man?
It is a man, I believe. I mean,
that's
maybe-
better. I mean, just
Who knows? All right. It looks like he has a
Nose.
large nose.
They knows.
No, it looks like one of those doctors from
yeah.
medieval times. Not medieval times. Is it? I guess so. It's where they would put
Yes.
flowers in their beaks to protect them from the Black Plague.
But they have the bigger nose. I mean,
Yeah, it is longer, yeah, usually.
longer than this one. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
but who knows?
Yeah, Black Plague throwback. We had one of those recently. Okay, so it has gold rims. That's a little fancy for a doctor. Oh, that's it?
Okie dokie.
I liked it. Why not?
They're practical as well, I guess.
How to make a garden hoe. Just had me sitting outside in a garden. All right, so we go.
To the clamp or something.
Yeah, it looks like some kind of clamp. This is strange.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's a jack. Nice.
We did almost similar also with this tool,
Yeah.
but differently, and it worked.
Okay,
so I
cool.
think this hack also
Pretty useful.
useful. Yeah.
I like it. All right, so we're shaving off part of our buzz saw, our saw wheel. What are we doing here?
I don't know.
Making a CD rip of Star Wars trilogy. I don't know.
For cutting something or for digging a hole.
Oh, maybe. Oh, wow, with a drill? Is that the most powerful use of that? I guess so.
Yeah, I think if
I think it
powerful
can't
enough.
be that big of a drill, like of a hole though. Like it can't go that deep because it's gonna be too heavy for the drill to handle. You need a little bit more high powered.
But actually, there is the Volt one. It's very strong one,
Okay.
even with a battery.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, so it could work. I mean,
Fair enough. Fair enough.
it depends from the drill itself.
The more you know. All right. So we have an axe head that they kind of shaved down, and now it's wow.
Wow,
That's so cool. That's so
very
cool.
nice.
That looks like a secret weapon that you unlock in Dark Souls or something. Very cool.
So,
All right.
what it could be?
I don't know. Some kind of hinge
Oh.
thing.
I have
A scraper?
Not the scraper, maybe to lift it up something. If you not, I
It's-
think you were. Yeah,
It's a bit of both of ours.
Yeah.
It scrapes and then it lifts. A pry bar. A little bit.
Pry bar, yeah. Okay.
Okay,
It
that's
was a nice
completely ruined.
range. Yeah, but
Now it's a toothbrush, an uncomfortable toothbrush.
why? Another range.
This is like
destroyed?
a kid like ruining all his father's tools.
Yeah.
It's like, you didn't love me enough.
Oh, they made a multi-purpose.
Oh, never mind.
yeah.
Okay.
So for,
It's a lot lighter than the way I thought. Okay, got it.
but
No!
wow.
Get the can. Wipe off dirt.
Yeah.
Tell me what to do next with my life, 5-minute crafts. You know, I wish they would tell me, like, shot for shot, what should I do with the instructions? Wipe off dirt, take a shower, drink coffee, you know? Make a little heart. What are we doing with the heart? Okay, so it's nice little
Make
cookie shapes.
Shapes, yeah.
Cute. Cutie. Cutie. All right. Ew, more trash. What do we do with that?
So,
More
recycle.
bottles.
Yeah.
Bottle inside bottle. Bottleception.
Put them together.
Tape. Now it's multiple bottleceptions.
Yeah.
Okay. What? 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 Oh! What is happening? Why? Why? What the frick? What's the point?
I don't know. It's just a chair. You can do chair out of
Yeah,
everything,
literally,
right?
yeah. They're like, get an old toilet, close the seat. It's now a chair.
That's true, actually, yeah. But I think you can came up by yourself with this idea.
I think we should make some 5-minute craft videos about chairs and just, you know.
Oh, okay.
That's a nice little wine rack.
Yeah.
Okay. We have some pictures of cleaning up. High five! Yeah.
Perfect.
We want our children to live in a world with clean water, air, and soil. Yes, we do.
So yeah.
We want that. Ooh. Ooh. What's happening? Oh my gosh. Is this a restoration? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? All right, putting the laces back in without a sole is very interesting. Oh my gosh!
That's
Oh.
from this. It's crazy, dude.
No way.
It's
No way. It's not okay.
It's happening in the video, right?
Yeah.
What is this fingers for? Chicken finger.
Okay, I don't mean to sound weird.
Huh?
Kind of want to see what it tastes like.
Yeah. Okay.
See? Cookie?
Orella.
Metal cookie. Forbidden cookie.
It's a ring cookie.
Ah.
Cookie ring. Opener and a ring at the same time and cookie. And wow.
Why?
Car? I don't know.
Why? Why? My brain can't handle what I'm viewing right now.
I think we should stop asking the question.
No,
why
yeah, we don't need to know.
5 minute crowd.
Let's just accept our fate.
Right?
Let's just accept our fate. This is just
Yeah,
happening.
Just that. But
Why?
it's
All right, it's cute. It's
what?
Cute. Ah,
Holy
right.
moly!
holy moly, holy.
Holy, it's excuse me.
We're making long nails?
Nails, I guess. Yeah, nails. Yeah, but they're
bad nails. They're
bad-
horrible nails.
yeah.
They're not gonna hold anything.
That's true.
Tin fork?
Tin fork.
Why?
I don't know.
All right, spoon.
No, I answer for them, right?
Yeah.
I don't know it. Anyway.
All right, now we got a spoon.
Spoon. Okay.
Cool,
Okay, you got the fork and
guys.
okay, you take
You take the reins here. What
Yeah.
what is happening?
Okay, another motive for what? Okay, beat it. Yeah. Destroy
Just beat it. Yeah. Okay, so we got a full hand again.
Which is wow, with this empty space around, I feel sick.
I feel sick.
Yeah.
I feel sick. Exactly. Yeah. So do I. Oh, it's a toothbrush.
Yeah, at least your teeth are clean, right?
Oh.
That looks painful. For
Yeah,
some
it
reason.
would definitely be painful.
Yeah.
You'd have to put like some rubber on the end of them.
Excuse me, ring out. There was a metal out of syringe.
Yeah.
How is it possible?
No idea.
What?
You're messing with my brain, 5-minute crafts.
Oh, boy.
I love it. I love it so much. All right. Now we have a really ugly, nice